one of the things that they've improved, and they've actually introduced this particular functionality of using the smart blocks or the detect and convert, is the ability to detect, objects in here that may be repetitively used. And so as I go through this, it's going to bring up this palette here, and you'll notice it says tech preview. It's still in the phases of starting up, and development will continue on. But this year, they've actually allowed us to do a little bit more, where we can modify existing blocks. So if it detects existing block that matches the same geometry, it allows us to update all the other geometry as does block. And so right now you can see that in this drawing, it has detected all of these components here. And one of the things is perhaps the chairs. So if we take a look at that, there's 66 instances of the chairs, and they're located throughout the model in here. And you'll see there's one word right here that allows us just to convert them. And we can go through the process. Now, this was something that was introduced, in 2024, I believe, that you can actually go through and detect these blocks and create a new block, or go ahead and add it to an existing block. So, for example, I already have the chair here in place. I want to use that. Specify what layers that it's going to be. I like to leave things on layer 0 because I want to be able to take these chairs and assign them to a layer afterwards that it inherits. So if they were existing chairs or new chairs, maybe I have 2 different layers. That setting that block to layer 0 allows for me to put those chairs or those blocks on 2 separate layers, and then their display or their colors will be shown. So I'm gonna go ahead and convert, and now you can see that it's asking me to accept the placement. I can accept it, and it'll go through and update all 66 of them. But the really cool thing that they have done now is with the search functionality, I can go down here and I can search for the chairs that I was working with earlier and convert those. Or if I wanted to, namely, pick out a certain set of text in a boundary or a box like I have here, and convert these into a block. This is the new functionality. So it's recognized that I have 6 of these here, and these are going to be, if I want to convert them into a block, this is where it has, notice right now, it can actually include the variation, convert these into existing block, gives them a new name, and it takes these and creates them as an attribute. So I can call these, let's say cubicle. Names. And then I can convert that. And now each one of these are now a block with the text already associated with them. So with the detection and the search, it allows for us to identify all of those items that are repetitively used within our AutoCAD drawings.